Hello everyone. So today we will learn about object lock and retention lab, where you will lock the files which are very much secured so that nobody can delete it. So let's learn. So S3 object, S3 service will pick, and before creating the bucket you have to make sure that you have to enable versioning and object lock at the time of creating the bucket. So we'll create bucket. So now we are not giving any ACL enabled block public access because it's a secure file. So we have to make sure always enable versioning, and we have to go to advanced settings. In that we have to enable object lock, and we have to create the bucket. Now we'll try to upload an object. This is uploaded. We'll go to bucket. We'll go to the object. We'll see whether we can open. So we can see the file. Now we'll go and give object lock time. So during that time nobody could delete the bucket. So we'll go to properties. We'll go down. We can see object lock enable. We'll go here and we go to default retention. We'll enable this. In this you can see default retention mode, governance and compliance. So in governance mode, users with special permissions can delete or override, like admin users or any users will. In compliance mode, nobody can delete or the object with whatever permission it has. So we'll give compliance. Since we are root users, in governance we will be able to delete the object. So we'll give compliance and we'll give 1 day, and we'll save the changes and confirm. So now we have given object lock. We'll go to buckets and we'll upload an object. Add file. Delete the object. So we could delete the object. Why? Because this was before the object lock was enabled, like the compliance lock. So this has, the previous one does not have compliance now. Now after the compliance lock was enabled, we can see the file. Now this file will not be able to delete. So we'll show the version and we'll try to delete this file. So we'll delete. As you can see, failed to delete the objects. So that means in compliance mode, you cannot delete the object. So you can see the bucket. Inside the bucket, there is an object, and you cannot delete the object. So only after 1 day, automatically the compliance mode will go, and then it will become free, and then we can delete the objects. So I hope you understood the importance of compliance mode. Thank you.